Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is LC with Lord Crypto. Thank you for joining me today. So I have a new play. It looks like an interesting play in the market. So if you like content like this, please like, subscribe to the channel. Every day I'm trying to find new ways for this community to make some money, okay? I believe that we all need to pull together so we can come out clean in this bull run. Now, let's dive in. So today I have Rarible. Now I already made another video on Rarible, but I had it with a collection of other great NFTs. So I just wanted to have Rarible be the spotlight of its own video because this thing deserves it. I'm telling you, Rarible's been making some moves in the market. I'm gonna show you the charts in a second, but right now I'm gonna walk you through the overview of Rarible. So today we have a price of $32.75. That is down 7.5%, and the market cap currently is $111,347,436. All right. Now the max supply is only 25 million with 3.3 million in circulating supply. That is awesome. Now in overall market cap, it is ranked 292nd, but in the NFT market cap, we have Rarible at number 11, and this thing has been climbing. I've been in Rarible for some time now, and I steadily keep seeing this price tag go up, so I'm very happy about that. But yeah, we're number 11 and it just keeps climbing. And Rarible is a special case because Rarible is where you actually buy other NFTs. Okay, so the market cap currently today is 1.8 trillion, and Bitcoin dominance is 59.5% with ETH at 11.3%. All right, now the gas fee is 141. It's not getting any lower at this time, but if you want to buy Rarible, then you can buy it in these markets here. And of course, you have Uniswap here at number 1. You have MXC, Gate.io, SushiSwap. I just made a video on SushiSwap, so go check that out. Balancer and 1inch. So you can, of course, get it at all these different markets. I'm just telling you the ones that I'm familiar with. And yeah, let's get down to a brief overview of the chart. I have the 90-day here pulled up, and look at these runs, man. I mean, has Rarible been on a run? Or has it been on a run? I mean, look, if you would have bought this in the beginning of the year, it would have been only $2.05. I mean, I didn't even buy that low. So don't hate yourself for not buying that low, because I didn't see it until it made this move, and then it made its dip down to around $12. And I think I bought somewhere here around late February. So I think I got it like at $14. But yeah, the Rarible is a great project. Market sentiment is looking really nice, and the 24-hour really quickly before I jump off of it is looking like it's doing some nice consolidation right now after it has made a little dipsy-do there. So I'll get into that a little later. Let's dive over to the Medium page, and I'll let you know the good things that we have coming up. Just really quickly for anyone that don't know what Rarible really is. So Rarible raises 1.75 million from 1KX, CoinFund, Parify, and Coinbase to build the next generation NFT marketplace. Now, the Rarible journey started a year ago with the launch of a simple tool to democratize access to minting and buying NFTs. In 2021, it turned into a robust marketplace that hit 29,000 unique buyers and sellers with over $29 million in trading value. You can follow Rarible's journey in the recent published 2020 year in review. So I'm going to link this article in the description below as well. So let me scroll down to this article here, and I'll let you know what's happening that's new with Rarible. This just dropped 1 day ago, and it's the NFT hack sponsorship in Rarible NFT protocol pre-release. Rarible sponsors the NFT hack powered by ETH Global that will run March 19th to the 21st with 20K in total prizes. For the hackathon, the team will pre-release Rarible NFT protocol. At Rarible, we are moving toward the vision of a fluid, interoperable, diverse NFT market. With DeFi applications, we have seen how interoperability is pushing the entire space forward. NFTs are taking the same path. Projects like NFTX, Ether.cards, Charged Particles show how financialization is contributing to the ecosystem's growth. So far, we have only dipped our toes into that possibility, and the NFT applications go beyond the imaginable. To facilitate the development of the space, we will be shortly launching open source Rarible protocol. The core parts of the protocol will be pre-released this week for the NFT hack. And let me just click into the article here. So they're doing a lot of great things. They're building this project. The NFT space is booming. Rarible is booming, and not just booming with the NFT space, they're pushing the NFT space along. They're an innovator in trying to create the space that's going to introduce the great things that we have here in crypto to the mainstream. All right, so it's a lot of great information here, and I'm going to link this in the description below. All right, now I'm on Rarible's website, and as you can see here, there's a numerous list of NFTs that you can actually buy on this website. And yeah, man, I'm telling you, you can get lost in here just by searching all the unique things that are reselling. Now, just scrolling through, of course, we have the hot bids here. You can scroll through to see what's happening there, what's hot in the marketplace, and you have your hot collections here. You can definitely dive in and see what type of art pieces that you want to be a collector of. And just scrolling through the explore page, you have things that's updating every single day. And some of these things have resold for tremendous amounts. Okay, so you definitely want to learn the game of the NFT reselling before you just buy anything, or you can just buy whatever you're passionate about, because like I said, there's a multiple variety of artists that are selling their digital art on these type of sites, and Rarible is one of the leading sites so you can buy and resell items. Outside of art, you have photography, you have games, you have metaverses, music, domains, DeFi, memes. Oh my gosh, I'm telling you, there's a whole world to what's about to happen with NFTs. There's so much innovation that's being done within the space. I don't even think we've thought of the extreme ways for us to make life-changing revenues with NFTs, because something new is just happening every day. There's some type of new innovation. There's something that's happening in the market where we would have never thought of 2, maybe even 3 days ago. It's always just something popping up. And yeah, man, I'm just looking forward to see what's coming next. Alright, so I'm over here on TradingView, and this is a chart for Rarible. I'm on the 2-hour chart, and I'm just gonna let you know what I'm seeing currently. So yeah, man, I think I'm just gonna guess that Rarible's been doing pretty good thus far this year. Alright, so if I go all the way back to December 20th and draw this thing out, you see here that yeah, we're basically bouncing off the 382 on the long term, but what I'm going to see is how much we have made a run, and that is 2400% since December 20th we have moved. I mean, honestly, I drew it back pretty far. I can put it right there, and as you can see, of January 21 we have still made a 2400% move. That is amazing, and I don't think that Rarible's slowing down anytime soon. Okay, so right here on the long-term retracement, you can see made an all-time high, and then we took a little dipsy-do down to our 382, which is a $30.77 mark. And let me scroll in here. So we're currently trading at a price of $33.86, and we're also under our 50 EMA. Okay, so it looks like it's trading in a short-term bearish trend here in this little channel, but what I think I'm seeing is just a nice breather. All right, every project, if you watch my other technical analysis videos, I say it deserves a breather, and this thing is just taking a small breath before it can move higher. Now, just looking at it from all ends, I'll say I can draw my 50% retracement there, and I'll also put my 6-1. I have a lot of lines from the past, so I'm just gonna move them around, and my 618 is going to go there. All right, and I'll say if it was to continue to make a downturn, we can see it doing something like coming down again and bouncing off our 382 and then going higher, or it can come down, bounce, and consolidate on our 50% retracement before going higher, or it can even do something like a bounce there, hover around our 50% retracement, come down to the 618, before it finally picks up enough buyers before it could start making new heights, okay? Now, I'm very bullish on Rarible. So I just like to look at all cases, and I want you guys to hold these cases in your mind as well. I'm looking at different levels to say, all right, is it stabilizing or is price dropping to all who knows what? And my prices here are $30.77, and that's our 382 retracement. So if it comes back down there and starts to consolidate and go higher, that's somewhere I'm gonna be looking to accumulate. If it comes down to our 50% retracement, I'm also looking to buy on that dip if it comes down that low at $25.34. Now, if it comes down to our 618, boy, I'm looking to throw a whole bag on it. You feel me? So if it comes down to $19.65, I will be loving this price because I know that Rarible is going places in this bull run. So please, pretty please, come down that low just so the loyal crypto community can fill up their bags, all right? But just really quickly, if I take a look at my indicators, I don't see it coming down that low as of right now, but I'm always gonna be open to new scenarios. Okay, so taking a look at our trend indicator first, I see that it came down as far as almost going into our oversold region, but it bounced right off the line and came back up. Now it's looking to try to break over our zero line here on the trend indicator. Now I will wait to see if it can break past this line. It looked like it tapped the line. Let me try to zoom in a little more. So it looked like it tapped the line and it took a bounce and it's going back bearish in the short term. I'll have to wait to see if it's gonna break over this line first to get back bullish. But as of right now, I'm going to see if it could come back down and maybe tap our oversold region again, or it could possibly go through. And once it starts to go through this region, I know it's being dramatic. Again, every time you look at this trend indicator, you want to see it trading in this range. If it trades in that range, that's exactly what price wants to do. Whenever it touches these oversold regions or overbought regions, that is when you know that price is being a little dramatic. So I look for areas that's going to be oversold, because within the time range of where price action is showing us, that is overstretched. So I'll be waiting to see if it's going to come back down this far. Of course, it can always do something like this, don't even go down that far and come back up, but I'll wait to see what it does before it can break past this zero line. All right, now let me go to my RSI. In the RSI, we're basically seeing the same thing. It has went back over our 50 line, but is now dipping back under the 50 line. I would like to see if it's gonna make any extreme moves and come down to oversold regions and possibly break outside of this 30 line. If it does any type of thing like hover around here under our 50, I'll still want to wait for it to break through and start to stabilize on top of the 50 before moving higher. Okay, so these are some key metrics to take a look at on our RSI. You want to look at the 50, and on my trend indicator, I'm looking to see if it's going to break past the zero line before I can say it's going to be bullish in the short term. Now, granted, in the long term, I am very bullish on Rarible. I just want to see where I can get some good buying opportunities when it's bearish in the short term, the little minuscule terms, so I can keep filling up on my bags. But I'm gonna let you know just how bullish I am on this project. Okay, so if I do something like a swing high to swing low on Rarible recent action, you can see, let me bring this out, you can see that we almost pretty much hit our 1.272, but we missed it before we took our next dip. So I'm gonna have to take a look at that there. But what I can see is we were how much off of it? So yeah, we missed our 1.72 by about a little over 10%. So yeah, we were kind of short there if anyone were looking to take profits. Like I said, I like to trace these things out to see where we're going, but with Rarible, I'm not looking to sell any right now. I'm just accumulating. But what I can see Rarible going to in the near short term is a nice little $64.70. Okay, and like I said, that is the near short term. That means within a week or two. And then, oh man, do y'all want to even know? Do y'all want to even know? I think Rarible is going to $96. Now, this is going to be $96.72 by May, okay? I think, this is LC talking, this is not financial advice. I think Rarible is going to hit $96.72 because it have an extreme use case. It's in an extreme sector where it has yet to even break. So when I say $96, I'm not saying the whole bull run is gonna hit $96. I think this thing is gonna hit $96 in May. All right, so let's see what happens. A lot of people within the marketplace are just learning how real NFTs are, and I'm starting to hear a lot of people outside of crypto that's talking about NFTs. And in order for you to buy NFTs, you need things like Rarible, and that's why I think it's going to be so important. So I'm looking for these short-term bearish trends because I'm going to keep loading up on these dips. So for me, I mean, again, I think y'all probably think I'm crazy by now, but again, I think pretty please take a nice little dipsy do to our 618 and then start going back up, because if it does come down to our 618, which I think is not likely, honestly, if I'm really speaking to you guys, I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get that good of a buy. But if it comes back down to 19 on something that is unforeseen, then I'm looking to load up. That's just me, but I think this thing is maybe going to touch our 382 again, or come back down if it wants to bless us to our 50% retracement and go back up. So I'll look for some buying around $25 or the $30 mark before this thing starts to make some new heights. Let's get it. Okay, so that is my quick overview on Rarible. I hope you guys are in this project. If you aren't, let me know what kind of NFT plays you guys are looking at. I'll take a look at them. Comment down below. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. And you already know the slogan. I'm gonna keep trying to find ways to make this community profitable and find these gems, all right? So I'll see you on the next one.